it's up like that. Look, big money, no cheap talking. They sleeping on me, they sleepwalking. I'ma let them hate and let them keep talking. I'ma keep stunting, I'ma keep balling, cause I move like that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do them like that. Oh yeah, I'm in the mood like that. Dang kid, why'd you do them like that? Look, yeah.
Hey yo, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy B-Mill, aka B-Mill Fishing. You know how we do. But I'm actually re-rigging. Fluke popped the eye off of my rod the other day. I don't even know how. But it's all good, man. It's wear and tear. Just chuck it up to the game. You know, I'll buy another one here soon, but till then, you just make it happen. Also got rigged up a frog on. This is my favorite combo right here. Abu Garcia Veritas 7.2 medium heavy on the Zata. That thing is clean, isn't it? Got it on a 65-pound cigar braid. It's black. I like the black braid. Got the frog tied on. I had it on there last time, but it's just where I fish in this reservoir. It's kind of hard to like throw topwater baits around lily pads and stuff because you don't think there's gators there, but dude, there's always like little ones this big, man, this big. They just come. Then you gotta burn it back in, but it's all good. I ain't worried about it. I'm going to my favorite spot, so it's probably gonna be like a bunch of fish schooling, hopefully, but it never works out in my favor because I've been having the worst luck today. Turn my truck around, turns out I got like a tire that's going flat. I couldn't delete footage off of my memory card. It's been one of those mornings, so I'm just gonna power through it. We're gonna get out there and see what's going on. Hopefully I can make some adjustments. I'm probably gonna throw this baby bull shad. I threw it for like my last 2-3 casts last week, and the wind just wasn't cooperating. I tried to record and it just wasn't happening. So I just turned out I was fishing. But also I would like to say happy Memorial Day to all the veterans out there who paid the ultimate price for us. I know it'll be extremely tough for me to do. My dad was in the military. I got tons of friends, tons of family in the military. I just want to say thank you. And this video is dedicated to you. I'll see you out there. Oh, let me run this back. Let me run this back though. Seriously. Them boys tell me on YouTube, they're like, you ain't nothing if you ain't got no DC reel. If you ain't got DC reel, you ain't meant to be fishing. Well, guess what? I got a DC reel. Look at that bad boy there. Ooh! Let me flip it around for y'all, man. I gotta find another spot to film. Look at that. That thing clean though, right? Still gotta work out some kinks though. I'm still messing around with the gears, but anyways, I'll see y'all out there.
Look. They sleeping on me. Yeah, they all sleeping on me. Why they keep sleeping on me? They sleeping on me while they sleep. Why they be sleep? Yeah. Look, big money, no cheap talking. They sleeping on me, they sleepwalking. I'ma let them hate and let them keep talking. I'ma keep stunting, I'ma keep balling, cause I got it like that. Oh yeah, man, I'm rocking like that. Oh yeah, man, it's up like that. It's up like that, man, it's up like that. Look, big money, no cheap talking. They sleeping on me, they sleepwalking. I'ma let them hate and let them keep talking. I'ma keep stunting, I'ma keep balling, cause I move like that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do them like that.
Alright, we finally made it out here, and as you can see, this little like brim busting right in front of my kayak, which is a good sign. It's real good. So I might have to throw the big boy on that topwater. I just wanted to film my favorite part about getting in the water when there's 50,000 gators in here. By the way, it's like 55 degrees in Charleston, South Carolina in May. So I'm pretty sure the water's warmer than the air. But that's here nor there. Let's get to fishing though. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, baby. That's some footage for you there. Get in here. Let's go. Boom. I actually cast it in the tree, bro. Hit it. That's what I'm talking about. Get a little weight on him. I think he a little 2-pounder. Let's reset it. $194. Hey, see you, man. You good? Let's go. Yo, that's one dark bass. You wanna know what I mean? He live in that grass, bro. Come here, man. I just wanna be your friend. Y'all notice that from the other bass? Look at that. He's been in that, chilling. That's where he lives. He don't never come out. That's why it's so dark. That's dope, man. I'm not even gonna get a weight on him, but Angelo gets on me every single time for saying thanks for biting, but for real, bro, thanks for biting. Because if you think about it in layman's terms, like, he ain't had to bite, you know. So thank you. You know, you giving me fish catches, bro.
They sleeping on me. Yeah, they all sleeping on me. Why they keep sleeping on me? They sleeping on me while they sleep. While they be sleep. Yeah. Look, big money, no cheap talking. They sleeping on me, they sleepwalking. I'ma let them hate and let them keep talking. I'ma keep stunting, I'ma keep balling, cause I got it like that. Oh yeah, man, I'm rocking like that. Oh yeah, man, it's up like that.
Oh, this is a nice one too.
Like that, man, it's up like that. Look, big money, no cheap talking. They sleeping on me, they sleepwalking. I'ma let them hate and let them keep talking. I'ma keep stunting, I'ma keep balling, cause I move like that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do them like that. Oh yeah, I'm in the mood like that. Can't care what you doing like that. Look, yeah, I can do some things you can't do, like fly your chick out the Cancun. Now a week later, she can't stand you. So unlucky, no Andrew. My girl heard the new Ray Blue. They ran them cops some Chanel boots. Man, I got the sauce like I'm Winnie Pooh with that honey do. Look, I'm in my zone. Leave me alone. Fly like a falcon, I'm all in your dome. Got me a G, go get me a million. And got me a coupe and then drop me the ceiling. And pick up my brother and throw him a stack. Look at our mama like, yeah, we'll be back.
396 lock. Man, I like that. We out here. I'm not even recording. Well, I just caught another one on the frog. Thought I was recording, but I'm gonna weigh him anyways. And I'll tell you what I'm doing. I think I figured it out. Just give me 2 pounds. He's 1 something. 175. Let him be great. See, big dog. Frog doing work right now, bro. So I think I figured him out. I'm hitting all these shady spots and fishing the frog kind of slow. Gotta keep telling myself to slow down, but it's hard not to when you want to cover water, you know. But re-rigging this frog up and try to hit another shady spot. Let's go down this bank. I never been down this bank before, but there's always fishermen here, so I figured there'd be fish there. You got this little kayak. They ain't trying to see you there, but guess what? We all fishermen, and we all trying to catch fish, right? Alright. That's 4.
Do some things you can't do, like fly your chick out to Cancun. Now a week later she can't stand you. You so unlucky, no Andrew. My girl heard that new Raid Lou. Then went and copped some Chanel boots. When I got the sauce like I'm Winnie Pooh with that honeydew. Look, I'm in my zone. Leave me alone. Fly like a falcon, I'm all in your dome. Got me a dream to go.